Hey YouTube, how's it going, guys? I'm back. Haven't made a video in a while, and I went to Target today, and I picked up 20 packs. So Best Buy has this deal going on. $2.99 for a pack, and Target price matched it. But also Target has this deal going on where buy $50 worth of Pokemon cards, you get $10 off. So I bought 20 packs, which was $60, and then it came out to being minus $10 plus taxes. 54 dollars exact. So here's the receipt, guys. You can see the $2.99 and this is total. So we're gonna open up 20 Unbroken Bonds booster packs, guys. Dude, the one thing I want is we got some sleeves right here. Here's the first pack. I just want to pull a ultra rare rainbow rare use a card. I haven't pulled one. Rainbow rare any kind. I haven't pulled it. I haven't had really good pulls with this Unbroken Bond, so let's see if we can get some good right here. Oh man, here we go. I was gonna go to Target and buy the 3-pack blisters because I've been seeing a lot of people pull really good things out of it. Here's the code. So let's do. All right, guys. First pack starts off Porygon, Inkay, Caterpie, Clefairy, Poliwag, Lightning type energy, Fearow, Charjabug, Pyukumuku, Fairy Charm, and for the rare, a holographic Mew. I haven't pulled this card yet. I'm so happy about that. Let me just drop that down. Let me get a sleeve. Guys, the one thing I really want, I really don't care, I do care, but I just want to pull really good. I just want to pull everything that I haven't gotten, So basically every pack that has something new for my collection is a win for me. Anything. If I haven't pulled a common, uncommon, rare, any type, anything, I need it. That's what I want. I want to complete the set, and I'm not really that far from completing it. Here's the code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Guys, I want to say 60 cards away from finishing the set, which is a lot because most of those are just the hyper rare, ultra rares, and secret rares that everybody's trying to get. Litten, Fire type energy, Metapod, Torracat, Poliwhirl, reverse of a Clefairy, and a Stack Attacker, which is a holo. Guys, we're going for 2 for 2 right now. Really good pulls. I feel like I have this one, but not the holo version. I think I pulled it as a reverse. So guys, we got two really good pulls right now. Let me just fix it. Let me move this out the way. Sorry guys, I really have to improve my setup. Sorry about that. I've been busy with school and doing outside activities. So there we go. 2 pulls. What a good start for the pack. I really I have mixed feelings about these booster packs. One is because sometimes you can get really lucky, and sometimes you can get really unlucky. You can go 10 packs without getting something good. And then sometimes you can get a bunch of ultra rares, hyper rares. Sorry about that. Hyper rares, and here's the code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So can we go for 3 for 3? Let's see. We got Tentacool, Aeron, Sandshrew, Ghastly, Tangela, Psychic type energy, Energy Spinner, Rhydon, Green's Exploration, reverse of a Volcanion, which I haven't gotten yet. I'm happy about that. And for the rare, it's a Lazo. Guys, what's up? We're getting really good cards right now. Cards that I have not pulled. That goes on the back. That deserves to go on the back. Oh, if only it was... Guys, I have a... Oh, I just dropped all the packs. Don't worry, I'll pick them right now. Guys, I have a question. What's more rare? A reverse or a holo? That's something that I really don't know. Because I'm a noob, guys. I'm not bad. I'm a noob, and then I have barely started getting to collecting Pokemon again since like the last time I collected Pokemon cards was like when I was like 10. So first card is Sandile, Salandit, Coughing, Diglett, Zubat, Fire type energy, Pokegear 3.0, Triple Acceleration energy, Tentacruel, a reverse of a Dust Island, and for the rare, another Mew, guys. Wow. Wow. Guys, I want to say 4 for 4. 4 for 4 right now. I pulled 2 Mews, which I haven't pulled at all before. So, guys, I'm kind of happy about that, you know, about those pulls. All right. Here we are. So here we are. Code card. Let me try to fix this really quick. There we go. That's better. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Guys, we opened 4 packs right now, and we have 3 holos and 1 reverse rare. Really good. All right, so we got Venonat, Rattata, Goldeen, Darumaka, Sandile, Fire type energy, Chatot, Electromagnetic Radar, Frogadier, reverse of an Oddish, and for the rare, a Togekiss, guys. Another holo. Guys, what is up? Another holographic card. Can we get a GX? Can we get something good? Like, I mean, these cards are good, but I'm pretty sure everybody wants a GX, Secret Rare, Full Art, whatever. I'm gonna pick this one up on the floor, so I'm gonna go put this one. But guys, go to Target, do the price match for Best Buy, and then get the $10 off of $50, you know? And guys, these packs are opening so nice. Alright, is that it? Yeah. There we are. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Guys, I'm happy with the pulls, honestly. 5 for 5. Can we go 6 for 6? Squirtle, Tentacool, Aron, Sandshrew, Ghastly, Fighting type energy, Torracat, Surprise Box, Chatot, reverse over Rattata, and a Weezing. So guys, we couldn't go 6 for 6. Wow. It's alright. I'm not complaining, guys. I'm not complaining. But so far, so good. Whoops. This card is getting stuck. There we go. There we go. Ooh. Guys, remember when I was a noob at opening packs? Yeah, I'm still a noob. Don't worry about it. Yeah, sorry about that. Alright, so we got... Oh, I don't like how they do that. I don't like it. I like it flipped around instead. So I want to like... So I wouldn't know. Like, I don't want to open... I don't want to look at those cards no more because, like, I know there's not going to be something good on it except for the reverse. Let's see. We got Pikachu, Murkrow, Rhyhorn, Meltan, Slowpoke, Leaf Energy, Electromagnetic Radar, Frogadier, Beastbringer, Ultra Force, Carnivore, and Arbok. This is why I don't like opening packs that have like that show the code card. I like it how it started off better. So, guys, I don't know how many packs is that. Like, I think that's like 8 or 9, probably. Bro, I hate this. I hate this glue, honestly. Let's see if I can just There we go. All right. See, like, I don't want to know. Like, here you go. You guys enjoy. But a white and green code card. Let's see what we get. Can it be an ultra rare or GX? We start with Riolu, Esper, Porygon, Darumaka, Caterpie, Psychic type energy, Metapod, Torracat, Poliwhirl, reverse of a Litten, and for the rare, guys, what is it? A Machamp and Marshadow and Machamp GX, which I don't have. Guys, this opening has been one of the best by far. My luck has just turned around. Wow. Our first GX. Wow. Let me get this last. Oh, I got another one down on the floor. All right. But the card that everybody wants, and I'm pretty sure I want, is a Charizard and Reshiram GX. Guys, these packs are so easy to rip. There's a code. Enjoy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. I just want a rainbow rare. Anything. Anything. Because I have not pulled any type of rainbow rare or nothing. Salandit, water type, Larion, martial arts, fairy charm, reverse of Esper, and for the rare is it Blastoise? It's a Blastoise. Guys, I already have this one, but I'm not gonna complain because a Blastoise is a Blastoise. One of the first generation starters. Wow. 2 GXs. Guys, let me pick this last one up. Guys, I can't complain about this pull right now. I really can't. Wow. Can I get Reshiram and Charizard, please? A Blastoise GX and Marshadow Machamp. I haven't had the Marshadow Machamp yet, but I've pulled the Blastoise GX before. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. There we go. Sometimes I get them confused. So we got Coughing, Doduo, Poliwag, Spritzing, Lickitung, Psychic Energy, Kukurok, Graveler, Hitmontop, which I have not gotten yet, which I'm happy about that. Reverse of a Slowpoke. And for the rare, guys, a Muck and a Lonely Muck. Guys, oh my god, I'm sorry about that. A Muck and a Lonely Muck rainbow rare pool. Oh my god. Let me gently put that down. Guys, I'm sorry about that. Let me just my little setup. Oh my god. Guys, that has to be double sleep. Oh my god. Wow. I'm double sleeping. I'm gonna double sleep it. I don't care. Can I do it? Can I do it? I don't think so. Guys, my first rainbow rare. Wow. I have good luck with Muck and the Lonely Muck because I remember the first card that I ever pulled as a GX for him was the Lonely Muck and Muck full art. Guys, this has been worth it. Wow. This goes in the front. No question about that. Wow. I gotta buy a vacuum. Wow. Guys, that has just made it's made the pools. Wow. I can't stop looking at it. I'm sorry. Alright. Next one. There we are. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Can we get another, please? Zubat, Coughing, Doduo, Poliwag, Spritzy, Fighting, Chip Chip Ice Axe, Tyrogue, Jenning, a reverse of a Meowstic, which I feel like I have, I'm not sure. And for the rare, guys, Hunchgrove GX. Oh my god. Guys, what is going on? Oh my god. Wow. Guys, are you serious right now? I feel like I think I have it, but still, a GX is a GX. Guys, out of all these packs, I feel like I've pulled almost on all of them. No, like, I'm so surprised. I don't have good luck with it. But wow, like, I don't have good luck with Unbroken Bonds at all. At all. And today, it's just my lucky day. So we got Litten, Froakie, Crabrawler, Oddish, Squirtle, Fighting, Tyrogue, Jenning, Pokegear, reverse of a Diglett, and for the rare, a holographic Crobat. Guys, these pulls won't stop. I'm not even playing. Like, I'm speechless right now. This is probably the best. And look, not even kidding you, we still have all these to open. That's like probably seven more. 7 more to open, and we already have that many pulls. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna have to go to Target tomorrow and buy the rest of the packs. Because wow. There's a code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Guys, I can barely breathe right now. I'm sorry. So we got Litten, Krabby, Tangela, Oddish, Wooper, Leaf Energy, Larion, Gliscor, Triple Acceleration Energy, reverse of a Martial Arts Dojo, and for the rare, a Weezing. Guys, if that was another holographic or GX, I really don't know what I was going to do. Wow. Today's has been my lucky day. Wow. So we got next Gardevoir and Sylveon pack. Alright, here we are. Oh, green. Look, see, I don't like that, guys. I don't like that. Like, now I know it's a green. But, you know, I'm not going to complain because this has been the best opening I have ever made. So we got Diglett, Poliwag, Rhyhorn, Growlithe, Cubone, Psychic, Krokorok, Graveler, Hitmontop, Surprise Box, and a Crabominal. Guys, I feel like I should recap. Let me recap really quick. Let me just get these in order. Alright. So first, we got a Volcanion reverse. We got Crobat as a holographic. We got a Mew, Togekiss, another Mew, Stakataka, a Blastoise GX, Honchgrove GX, Marshall Machamp GX, and the best pull so far, a Muk and a Alolan Muk, Rainbow Rare. Wow. Wow, guys, just wow. Let me keep on going, guys. That Alolan Muk and Muk GX, I mean Rainbow Rare, it's the best pull I have ever got it. I said I wanted a Rainbow Rare, and I got it. My first Rainbow Rare, it's a Muk and a Alolan Muk. Wow. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Can we get another Rainbow Rare? If it's possible, guys, if I get another Rainbow Rare, I'm giving out. I'll send somebody my GX. I'll probably Honchgrove or probably Blastoise, whichever you guys want. So we got Lickitung, Venonat, Spearow, Jiggly, Krabby, Leaf, Dust, Raticate, Lieutenant Surge, reverse of a Poliwrath, and for the rare, a Sandslash. Guys, oh my god, we got 4 packs left, guys. 4 packs. This video is already 20 minutes. Wow. So here we are. Here's the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So we're still gonna start off with the Poliwag, Ekans, Drowsy, Pikachu, Grubbin, Leaf Energy, Charge-a-Bug, Torracat, Surprise Box, reverse of a Zubat, and for the rare, a Whimsicott Full Art GX. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Guys, I'm not making this up. Oh my god. Whimsicott Full Art GX. Can we please get that Rainbow Rare Charizard? Here's a code. Whoops, sorry, I gotta reverse. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Oh, that's kind of bad right there. The rare. Alright. We got Doduo, Poliwag, Spritzing, Lickitung, Venonat, Fire Energy, Frogadier, Rhydon, Wartortle, Froakie, and for the reverse, for the rare, it's a Kingler. Sorry. Guys, oh my god. This has been the best pull I have ever had. Oh my god. I don't know what to say, to be honest. Alright, so here's the code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Alright. So we got Gligar, Mischievous, Glameow, Growlithe, Ghastly, Metal Type Energy, Dustone, Haunter, Lieutenant Surge, reverse of a Porygon, and for the rare, Aggron, which I don't have yet. I'm happy about that card. I don't have Aggron yet. Alright guys, last 2 packs. A Marshall Machamp, last pack. Last 2 packs. Alright. There's a code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So we're going to start off with the Growlithe, Cubone, Riolu, Porygon, Inkay, Water type, Hitmontop, Gliscor, Frogadier, reverse of a Growlithe, and for the rare, Arbok. Guys, can we get some last pack magic? I don't even know that's magic because of the amazing pulls that we pulled today. Last pack, Charizard and Reshiram, Rainbow Rare is inside here. Please. Oh. Alright, please be a Rainbow Rare Charizard in here. Ah, guys, I don't like that. I'm just gonna do it like this, either way. I don't like how they show you the card. Just show me the code, that's fine. So we got Cottonee, Ekans, Carvana, Litten, Clefairy, Dark, Gloom, Dodrio, Raticate, reverse of a Seaking, and for the rare, a Butterfree. But guys, I am so happy with the pulls for today. Let me just recap really quick. So we got a reversible Volcanion, a Stack Attacker Hollow, a Mew Hollow, Togekiss Hollow, Mew Hollow, Crobat Hollow, Marshall Machamp GX, Honchgrove GX, Blastoise GX, a full art of a Whimsicott, and the best pool, a Rainbow Rare Mug and a Lonely Mug. Wow, my very first Rainbow Rare. Well, guys, that's gonna be it. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. And I'm promise you guys that I'll keep on posting more often and keep on telling you guys about deals and steals at Target, Best Buy, Walmart, wherever. But guys, go to Target. You guys are not gonna get disappointed. I'll see you guys later and have a good one.